Welcome back to Global Forex Guide. Today, we're diving into a question many aspiring traders ask. Can you get rich by trading Forex? Let's break it down. Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, involves buying and selling currencies on the global market. The aim is to profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates between different currencies. It's a 24-hour market with over 6 trillion traded daily, but can it make you rich? Yes, it's possible to become wealthy trading Forex, but it's important to understand the risks and what it takes to succeed. Many successful traders have made substantial profits, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires education, strategy, and discipline. Several factors influence your success in Forex trading. These include 1. Education. Understanding the market and how it works is crucial. There are plenty of resources available online, including courses and tutorials. 2. Strategy. Developing a solid trading strategy tailored to your risk tolerance and trading style. 3. Risk management. Proper risk management techniques to protect your capital. 4. Psychological discipline. Keeping emotions in check and sticking to your trading plan. While the potential for profit is high, so are the risks. Market volatility can lead to significant losses. It's essential to only trade with money you can afford to lose and to use leverage cautiously. To help you on your journey, consider using reliable tools and platforms. One recommended broker is Exness, known for its user-friendly interface and robust trading tools. You can sign up using our affiliate link in the description. Additionally, manage your earnings securely with Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange. Check the link below to register. In conclusion, while Forex trading can potentially make you rich, it requires hard work, dedication, and a well-thought-out strategy. Do your research, start small, and gradually build your way up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Forex tips and guides. See you next time.